Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Mazlan. Number metric H218194 from Group 4 of the assignment for Basic Accounting conducted by our lecturer, Dr. Maizatul Akmal binti Saidi. Below are the name list of our group members. Now, I will start with the introduction of this case study with the definition of accounting. Accounting is the system of recording financial transactions that happen in a business, which its system consists of summarizing, analyzing and reporting, and it must follow the steps to make it work, starting from doing journal to the balance sheet statement. In accounting, it is important for the equity makes up the asset and the liabilities are all balanced mathematically to get an accurate report. We have set two objectives for this case study. The first one is to ascertain whether the company suffered a profit or a loss during the period of the transaction. And the last one is to identify what account does all this transaction given belongs to. And all that will be explained by my friends later on in this presentation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Natasha Najwa binti Muafiza Naim and my ID number is H21B2449. I'm going to present about journal. 1 October 2020. Account computer capital 500,000, cash along with computer equipment. October 2. Account cash rent cash 15,000 for the month. October 4, account equipment credit 12,000, do it within 30 days. October 8, cash sale 32,000, complete work for a client. October 10, accounts debtor sale 27,000, complete work for a client. October 12, account equipment cash 8,000, purchase additional equipment. October 15, account which cash 6,200 for assistant wage for 50 days. October 18, cash debtor 15,000, amount owned by the client. October 25, account creditor cash 12,000 for settle the liability of the equipment purchase. October 28, account drawing cash 500, withdraw 500 for personal use. October 30, account cash discount allowed sale 40,000, complete work for another client who pay only 40,000 for 15% of the system design. October 31, account salary cash debit for 700. October 31, account utility bills credit debit 5,600 for bill 180 and water bill 3,800, bill 1,800. I'm gonna present about ledger. For ledger, account open, computer account, capital account, rent account, cash account, equipment account, creditor account, sales, debtor and wages, drawing, discount allowed, salary account and utility bills.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Hakimi bin Muhammad Razali, metric number H21A1985. Okay, today I will explain for trial balance part. This trial balance part is shown for 31 October 2020. For computer account, debit 500,000. For capital account, credit 500,000. For rent account, debit 15,000. For cash account, debit 44,600. For equipment account, debit 20,000. For creditor account, credit 5,600. For sale account, credit 139,000. For debtors account, debit 12,000. For wages account, debit 6,200. For drawing account, debit 500. For discount account, debit 40,000. For salary account, debit 700. And for utility account, debit 5,600. That's all for trial balance.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Husnina Alia and my matrix number is H2182427. Now I will explain about statement profit and loss. A profit and loss statement summarizes the revenues, costs and expenses incurred during a specific period of time. Profit and loss account or income statement is used to find its profit and loss from the business for a period. As can be seen in this slide, the gross profit is 139,000 while the net profit is 71,000.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Idina Batrisha binti Muhammad Suhaimi. My matric number is H21A2430. Now I will present the balance sheet. A balance sheet is a statement showing the number of assets owned, liabilities owed, and the owner equity. So, Mega Holding Company balance sheet as of 31 October 2020 has two assets which are fixed asset and current asset. The fixed asset has computer equipment and equipment. The fixed asset for computer equipment is 500,000, while the amount of equipment is 20,000. So, the total fixed asset is 520,000. Next, we will see the current asset that including cash and debtor. Cash had 44,600 and debtor had 12,000 and the total is 56,600. Besides that, the balance sheet for Mega Holding Company also had current liabilities which are creditor with an amount of 5,600. To calculate working capital, subtract current asset and current liabilities and the total that we will get is 51,000. Following that, we must compute the fixed asset plus the working capital and enter the total 571,000 in the last column. Last but not least, we shall observe a finance by capital and net profit item. The capital amount is 500,000, whereas the net profit amount is 71,000. The entire capital and net profit are 571,000. To evaluate whether a company balance sheet is balanced, we must discover the equivalent amount between asset and liabilities using finance.
My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Yusuf, matric number H21A2618. So I will present about the usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. Firstly, it provides a summary of a company's revenues, expenses, and profits or loss over a given period of time. Second, it shows a company's ability to generate sales, manage expenses, and create profits. Then, it provides an accurate estimate as many companies are required by law or association membership to settle it to make it easier for them to profit share net profit. And lastly, to show a company's revenues and expenditure over a specific period of time.
My name Anwar bin Muhammad Shahini, matric number H21A2008, and I will describe a subtopic with respect to the usefulness of the balance sheet statement. The point number 1 is balance sheet succinctly lists your business is asset and liabilities in one place. It's point number 2, comparing your current asset to current liabilities to determine whether your business can cover its short-term obligation. Point number 3, it shows company when their debt level are sustainable. So These 3 points are very important to ensure that the way the balance is done does not make mistake when recording report.
To conclude our presentation, here's the conclusion of this case study. This case study is important because we must record every transaction based on the basis of financial reports such as journal, ledgers, trial balance, statement of profit and loss, and balance sheet. We found out that our objective to ascertain whether the company suffered a profit or a loss during the period has been achieved. As a result, the business made profit with value RM71,000 of net profit. Other than that, we managed to know what account they should be recorded by doing journal and ledger in the first phase of this case study. So we hope that what we have learned and practically applied to this case study can be beneficial to us someday in the near future. That's all from us. Thank you.